We are pleased to show you the 2025 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, steel wheels, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.